Humans don't come with a refresh button. Increasing our mindfulness takes some work, but tuning into our thoughts, feelings, and senses can be a challenge during the workday. It's hard to take time to meditate when you're on a deadline or have a massive to-do list. However, taking the time to put your mind at ease can help you focus on the important things and not feel bogged down. So, what are some ways to maintain mindfulness while still being productive? One way is by choosing the right environment for your task. If you need to hunker down and focus, it's important to find a space that will eliminate distraction and help you concentrate. If you need a space to spread out and collaborate, you'll benefit from an adaptable environment that anticipates your needs. Another way to increase mindfulness is by taking time in the morning to set the tone for the day. At Creative, Muffin Mondays are a great way for our team to gather, socialize, and share a message to take with us for the rest of the week. There are so many ways to increase mindfulness in our everyday lives, but we're all different. How do you restore your mind?